In this lecture, we will discuss about government initiatives towards a hunger-free India and ensuring food security for all. What are challenges in hunger reduction? Lecture is important for GS paper 2, GS paper 3, for prelims and for mains. Why in news? Every year on 16th October, World Food Day is celebrated, which highlights the significance of a hunger-free world with the universal right to food. एवरी ईयर 16 अक्टूबर को वर्ल्ड फूड डे के तौर पर सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। इस दिन हंगर फ्री वर्ल्ड के सिग्निफिकेंस को हाईलाइट किया जाता है। एंडिंग हंगर, फूड इनसिक्योरिटी एंड एनी फॉर्म ऑफ malnutrition इज वन ऑफ द सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल सेट टू बी रियलाइज्ड बाय 2030। एंडिंग हंगर, फूड इनसिक्योरिटी एंड एनी फॉर्म एंड malnutrition, ये सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल के अंदर इसको इंक्लूड किया गया है, जिन्हें 2030 तक रियलाइज किया जाना है। What is the current status of food security and hunger in India? Food security. As per the International Food Security Assessment 2022-2023, about 333.5 million people in India were food insecure in 2022. International Food Security Assessment 2022 के अकॉर्डिंग 2022 में इंडिया के अंदर अबाउट 333.5 मिलियन पीपल ऐसे थे जो फूड इनसिक्योर थे। 63.3% of rural population could not afford the cost of a required diet even with 100% of income spent on food. इंडिया के अबाउट 63.3% रूरल पॉपुलेशन ऐसी है जो रिक्वायर्ड फूड रिक्वायर्ड डाइट का कॉस्ट अफोर्ड नहीं कर पा रही है। हंगर इन इंडिया 3.2% of the population is not getting a minimum of 60 meals per month. इंडिया के अबाउट 3.2% पॉपुलेशन है जिन्हें पर मंथ 60 मील्स नहीं मिल पा रही हैं। ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स 2025, इंडिया रैंक 105th आउट ऑफ 127 कंट्री, प्लेसिंग इट इन द सीरियस कैटेगरी फॉर हंगर लेवल। ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स 2025 में इंडिया का रैंक 105th रहा है, जो कि सीरियस कैटेगरी है। In Global Hunger Index 2023, India was ranked 111th out of 125 countries, below Pakistan and Sudan. ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स 2023 में इंडिया का रैंक 111 रहा, जो कि पाकिस्तान एंड सूडान से भी बिलो है। ग्लोबल अंडर नरिशमेंट डाटा। ग्लोबल हंगर असेसमेंट शो अ continuing lack of progress towards the goal of zero hunger. The global undernourishment has risen to 9.4% or 757 million people as of 2023. 2023 के अकॉर्डिंग ग्लोबल अंडर नरिशमेंट 9.4% तक राइज हुआ है। इट इज हाईएस्ट इन द अफ्रीकन रीजन विद 20.4% फेसिंग हंगर, 8.1% इन एशिया, 6.2% इन लैटिन अमेरिका एंड कैरिबियन, 7.3% in Oceania. In total count, Asia is the home to the largest who are hungry, 384.5 million, as compared with 298.4 million in Africa. What are the government initiatives related to food security and elimination of hunger? Initiatives related to food security. Essential Commodities Act of 1955, National Food Security Act of 2013, नेशनल फूड सिक्योरिटी मिशन, नेशनल फूड प्रोसेसिंग मिशन, प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना, नेशनल हॉर्टिकल्चर मिशन, नेशनल एग्रीकल्चर मार्केट प्लेटफॉर्म। 2023 as the International Year of Millets, Mega Food Park Scheme. Initiative related to hunger, Eat Right India Movement, पोषण अभियान, मिड डे मील स्कीम, पोषण ट्रैकर ऐप, प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदन योजना, फूड फोर्टिफिकेशन, इंटीग्रेटेड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट सर्विसेज स्कीम। India journey toward food security. India has made significant strides in food security over the past 60 years. Number one, became food deficient nation to food surplus country. इंडिया कभी फूड डेफिशिएंट कंट्री हुआ करता था, अब ये फूड सरप्लस कंट्री बन चुका है। वंस इंडिया वाज अ फूड डेफिशिएंट नेशन, इट हैज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड नाउ इनटू अ फूड सरप्लस कंट्री. It became possible due to green revolution, effective policies and improved supply chain. Number two, National Food Security Act of 2013. National Food Security Act of 2013 play a crucial role in India's food security, which provides food entitlement to over 800 million citizens. Number three, distribution of fortified rice from July 2024 to December 2028. It reflecting India's commitment to improving nutrition and food security. Number four, The effective collaboration between national policies and state initiatives play an important role in country's food security framework. Number 5. Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman PM Poshan School Feeding Scheme launched in 2021, and the integrated child development services are now focusing on nutrition and long-term improvement in child development and public health. Why has food security in India not translated into reduction hunger? Number 1. Insufficient public distribution system. इंडिया में फूड सिक्योरिटी रिडक्शन हंगर को रिड्यूस क्यों नहीं कर पाया है? इसके वेरियस रीजंस हैं, सच एज insufficient public distribution system. Despite improvements, India's PDS still face challenges to reaching all real beneficiaries. Leakage, corruption, and exclusion error persist. As per 2022 report, more than 90 million eligible people have been excluded from legal entitlements under the targeted public distribution system. Number two, income inequality and poverty. While India has made strides in poverty reduction, 24.82 crore Indians escape multidimensional poverty in last 9 years, but income disparities persist, affecting food access. According to the World Inequality Report 2022, India is a home. India is among the most unequal countries in the world, with the top 1% of the population holding 22% of total national income, top 10% holding 57% national income. Number 3, nutritional challenges and dietary diversity. Food security in India often focuses on calorie sufficiency rather than nutritional quality. India faces a triple burden of malnutrition, undernutrition, micronutrient deficiencies, and obesity. Data from the National Family Health Survey 5 show that 35.5% of children under 5 years is stunted, indicating long-term nutritional deficiencies linked to poverty and inequality. The household consumption expenditure survey 2023 indicate that the average per capita daily calorie intake in rural India is 1,564 calorie for the poorest 5% compared to the required 2,172 calorie. In urban area, the intake is 1,607 calorie against a requirement of 2,135 calorie. The government has initiated program like Poshan Abhiyan to address malnutrition, but progress is slow. Number 4, urbanization and changing food systems. Rapid urbanization in India is transforming food systems and consumption pattern. Outdoor food culture poses unique challenges in assessing nutritious food. A 2022 study found that 51% of urban slum households in Delhi experience food insecurity. In response, the government expanded the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana to provide free food grains, but challenges in urban food distribution is and nutrition persist. Number 5, gender disparity in food access. Persistent gender inequalities contribute to food insecurity and malnutrition in India. Women often eat last and least in household, leading to poor nutritional outcome. The prevalence of anemia as per the National Family Health Survey 5 is 57.0% in women. Number 6, inadequate focus on non-stable foods. India's food security policies have traditionally focused on cereals, particularly wheat and rice. This approach overlooks the importance of diverse, nutrient-rich foods. Number 7, post-harvest losses and food waste. Significant food losses due to lack of storage, transportation, and processing infrastructure. It is estimated that nearly 30 to 40% of fruit and vegetables in India turn waste due to lack of proper cold storage facilities. To address this, the government launched the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. Number 8, limited access to clean water and sanitation. Food and nutrition security is closely linked to water, sanitation, and hygiene. It means wash conditions. Poor wash can lead to malabsorption of nutrients and frequent illness, undermining food security efforts. While India has made progress through the Swachh Bharat mission, but challenges persist. Still, over 163 million people in India lack access to clean water, and 21% of country's communicable diseases are caused by unsafe water. How can India simultaneously achieve food security and reduce hunger? इंडिया simultaneously फूड सिक्योरिटी कैसे अचीव कर सकता है एंड हंगर को कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकता है? नंबर वन, नीड टू स्ट्रेंथन एंड डाइवर्सिफाई द पीडीएस. Expand the PDS to include a wider variety of nutritious food beyond cereals such as pulses, millets, and fortified food. Implement technology-driven solutions to reduce leakage and improper targeting. Improve targeting. Need to strengthen a one nation, one ration card scheme to ensure food access for migrant workers. Number two, invest in climate resilient agriculture. Scale up programs promoting drought resistance crop varieties, strengthen irrigation system, and sustainable farming practices. Need to expand the coverage of crop insurance scheme like Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana to protect farmers against climate shock. Invest in research and development of climate adaptive agriculture technologies. Number three, enhance nutrition education and behavior change. Launch comprehensive nutrition education campaigns targeting sections such as school children, pregnant women. Integrate nutrition education into school curricula and Anganwadi services. For example, the Poshan Abhiyan's Jan Andolan approach has shown efforts in raising nutritional awareness. Number four, strengthen urban food security measures. Develop targeted food security program for urban poor, including community kitchens, urban agriculture initiatives, and food bank. Improve the mapping and identification of vulnerable urban populations. Number five, promote dietary diversification and indigenous foods. Incentivize the production and consumption of locally grown nutrient-rich crops like millets, pulses, and indigenous vegetables. Launch awareness campaign promoting the nutritional benefit of traditional food. The government proposed declaration of 2023 as the International Year of Millets is a step in this direction. Number six, empower women in agriculture and nutrition. Implement policies to increase women's land ownership and access to agriculture input. Strengthen women's self-help group and their role in local food systems. For example, the Mahila Kisan Sashaktigaran Pariyojana has shown success in empowering women and farmers. Number seven, improve post-harvest management and reduce food waste. Invest storage facilities, cold chain, and food processing units. Number eight, enhance social protection for informal workers. Expand social security measures for informal workers. Implement urban employment guarantee scheme. Number nine, leverage technology for better targeting and monitoring. Implement AI and big data analytics for real-time monitoring of food security. Use satellite imagery and remote sensing for crop yield predictions and climate risk assessment. Develop user-friendly mobile app for beneficiaries to access entitlement and provide feedback. For example, the Mera Ration mobile app has improved PDS accessibility. Nutritional security in India. What is nutritional security? Nutritional security means physical, economic, and social access to balanced diet, clean drinking water, safe environment, and healthcare for every individual. न्यूट्रिशन सिक्योरिटी किसी भी इंडिविजुअल की फिजिकल, इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल एक्सेस जब बैलेंस डाइट, क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, सेफ इन्वायरमेंट तक होती है, देन इट इज नोन एज न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी. व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ न्यूट्रिशनल इनसिक्योरिटी इन इंडिया? इंडिया में न्यूट्रिशनल इनसिक्योरिटी का क्या स्टेटस है? अकॉर्डिंग टू द नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑफिस हाउस होल्ड कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर सर्वे 2022-23, the average daily per capita calorie requirement for a healthy life is 2172 calorie in rural India and 2135 calorie in urban India. नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे ऑफिस के हाउस होल्ड कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर सर्वे 2022 के अकॉर्डिंग रूरल इंडिया में एवरी पर्सन को हेल्दी रहने के लिए पर डे 2172 कैलोरी एंड अर्बन एरिया के पर्सन के लिए 2135 कैलोरी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. द पोरेस्ट 5% of the population fall very behind of these requirements. Average daily calorie intake in rural India is 1564 calorie compared to the required 2172 calorie. In urban area, the intake is 1607 calorie against a requirement of 2135 calorie. रूरल एरियाज में जो पुअरेस्ट 5% लोग हैं और अर्बन एरिया के जो पुअरेस्ट 5% लोग हैं, रूरल एरियाज में जिन्हें 2172 कैलोरी मिलना चाहिए, वहीं इन्हें 1564 कैलोरी गेन कर पा रहे हैं. अर्बन एरियाज में ओनली 1607 कैलोरी गेन कर पा रहे हैं. The high nutritional deficiency among the poorest segment of society highlight the urgent need for targeted nutritional schemes. What are latest findings of National Family NHFS National Family Health Survey 5 regarding malnutrition? malnutrition का रिगार्डिंग नेशनल फैमिली हेल्थ सर्वे 5 का क्या फाइंडिंग्स है? More than a half, it means about 57% of the Indian women between 15 to 49 age group are anemic. The prevalence of stunting among children under 5 years is 35.5%. The prevalence of wasting among children under 5 years is 19.3%. The proportion of underweight children in India is 32.1%. Stunting means low height for age. Wasting means low weight for height. What are the reasons for the lack of nutritional security in India? इंडिया में न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी का लैक है, क्या क्या रीजन है? नंबर वन, अफोर्डेबिलिटी इश्यूज फॉर द पुअर हाउस होल्ड. Affordability of nutritious food products such as protein-rich diet, green leafy vegetables has become very difficult for the poor household in India. The increasing wealth inequality has also exacerbated nutritional insecurity as top 10% of Indians holding 57% of national income. Number two, more focus on staple crops. Agriculture policies in India, like Green Revolution, have prioritized the production of staple crops as rice and wheat, but not focus on nutrient-rich crops. It has led to micronutrient deficiencies among the population. Number three, calories fundamentalism. The focus of PDS has been limited to only food security and calorie requirement. Nutritional development has not been taken into account. Number four, lack of effective implementation of child care practices. Child caring practices such as breastfeeding and introduction of complementary food and a diversified diet after the first 6 months are not properly implemented. For example, only 55% of children in India were exclusively breastfed in 2015-16. Number 5, growth of junk food and fast food culture. Cheaper and easily available fast and junk food has replaced the nutritious food in the dietary intake of Indian population. For example, as per recent household consumption survey, Indians are spending less on cereals and pulses and more on beverages, refreshments, and processed food. Number 6, increased income and urbanization. Increased income level of people have led to a rise in the consumption of food high in sugar, fat, and low physical activity. Number 7, feminine marginalization of nutrition. The nutritional requirement of young female in poor and lower middle income household are not prioritized. This led to malnourished female population and their children. For example, large prevalence of anemia due to inadequate focus on iron deficiency in female diet. What are the negative effects of malnutrition? Malnutrition के negative effects क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Number one, child death. According to a Lancet study in 2019, about 68% of 1.04 million deaths of children under 5 years in India were due to malnutrition. 2019 की एक Lancet study के according 2019 में 5 years तक के 1.04 मिलियन डेथ में से 68% जो डेथ हुई हैं वो मेल न्यूट्रिशन की वजह से हुई हैं। नंबर टू, improper development of children in early years. Obesity in children cause to stunted physical development. इंडिया में चिल्ड्रन का जो अर्ली ईयर्स होते हैं improper डेवलपमेंट होता है। नंबर थ्री, psychosocial impact. Malnourished people face psychosocial challenges like body image issues and mental health concerns due to societal stigmas. Number four, economic burden. Malnutrition increase the economic burden due to productivity loss of body, which lead to decreased work efficiency and absenteeism. Number five, social inequality and disparity. Malnutrition and undernutrition continue the cycle of health challenges and economic disadvantage among the vulnerable sections, increase socio-economic disparity. Mostly women are disproportionately affected by the malnutrition, facing challenges related to maternal health, reproductive health, and overall well-being. What initiatives have been undertaken to provide for nutritional security in India? इंडिया में न्यूट्रिशनल सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड करने के लिए क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव्स टेकिंग किए गए गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा? नंबर वन, नेशनल न्यूट्रिशन मिशन (NNM). NNM, also known as Poshan Abhiyan, has been launched to reduce stunting, underweight, and low birth weight each by 2% per annum. It also aimed to reduce anemia among children, adolescents, girls, and women each by 3% per annum by 2022. Number two, National Nutrition Strategy 2017. It aimed to reduce the prevalence of underweight children 0 to 3 years by 3% every year by 2022 from National Family Health Survey 2015. Number three, integrated child development services. ICDS provide a nutritional meal, primary health care, immunization, preschool education, health checkup services to children under 6 years and their mothers. Number four, National Breastfeeding Promotion Program. Program like Ma means Mother's Absolute Affection and Vatsalya Matri Amrit Kosh aim to improve breastfeeding practices. Number five, midday meal scheme. It aims to provide a good meal to every child within the age group of 6 to 14 years studying in class 1 to 8 who enroll and attend the school. This is PYQ related to this article.